will talk about how can you disable downloads notifications on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above here your photo profile, click on it here. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Click here on photo profile. So then you come to next here, click here on permissions here, just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on notifications. You click here on notification categories. You come here to downloads here, just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me here downloads notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.